D7 is an EPA-registered disinfectant, sanitizer, deodorizer, and powerful cleaner that has been proven to be effective in HVAC systems and plumbing drains. Although the chemical makeup of D7 is complex, the ingredients are hydrogen peroxide, similar to what you have in your medicine cabinet, just in a higher concentration. Powerful detergents called surfactants. Inorganic salts, like the baking soda you have in your kitchen. A booster to activate the hydrogen peroxide. And water to dilute the mixture for application. It kills and eliminates the viruses, bacteria, mold, mildew, and biofilm that live on the surfaces of your home's HVAC systems and plumbing drains. These harmful pathogens can be a source of illness and a source of unpleasant smells in your home. Applying D7 in your home is easy. D7 is sprayed into critical areas of your HVAC system's air handling equipment and foamed into plumbing drains to eliminate germs that can cause illness and odors. D7 can also be fogged into your home's ductwork. This is an airborne option to deodorize the surfaces, leaving a clean-smelling scent throughout your home. Discover how D7 can help make your home a more comfortable place to live.